हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपके लिए क्विज लेके आई हूँ। सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक दैट इज इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पे, जिसमें आपके कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में क्वेश्चन पूछा ही पूछा जाता है। तो एसएससी सीजीएल से लेके सभी एग्जाम्स में, जो बैंक हुआ, ठीक है, आपका असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, वट एवर एग्जाम, सब में इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। हु अपॉइंट्स द चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया? आंसर, द प्रेसिडेंट। How many fundamental rights are guaranteed by the Indian Constitution? Answer, 6. What does Article 21 of the Indian Constitution guarantee? Answer, right to life and personal liberty. What is the term duration for the President of India? Answer, 5 years. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Answer, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. What is the preamble of the Indian Constitution? Answer, the preface. Who has the power to dissolve the Lok Sabha? Answer, President. The national emergency proclaimed under Article 352 affects which of the following? Answer, both A and B. That is fundamental rights also and directive principle of state policy also. The term of office for a member of the Rajya Sabha is? Answer, 6 years. Who is the head of the state government in India? Answer, Chief Minister. Which part of the constitution deals with the executive? Answer, part 5th. The Attorney General of India is appointed by? Answer, President. Which constitutional amendment lowered the voting age from 21 to 18? Answer, 61st Amendment. That is 61 आपका amendment ने 21 से 18 एज की थी. The Controller and Auditor General, that is CAG of India, is appointed by? Answer, President. Which schedule of the Constitution contains the list of languages recognized by the Constitution? Answer, 8th schedule. What is the maximum strength of the Lok Sabha? Answer, 552. The directive principles of state policy are enshrined in which part of the Constitution? Answer, part 4. What is the minimum voting age in India? Answer, 18 years. What does Article 370 of the Constitution pertain to? Answer, special provisions for Jammu and Kashmir. The President of India is elected by an electoral college consisting of? Answer, elected members of both houses of parliament and legislative assemblies. When was the Constitution of India adopted? Answer, 1950. वैसे 49 में हुआ था, then it came into effect in 1950. But according to the option, then we have to give this answer. Who was the first chairman of the Constituent Assembly of India? Answer, Sachi Danand सेना। The preamble of the Indian Constitution begins with which words? Answer: We the people of India. How many schedules are there in the Indian Constitution? Answer: 12. What is the term of office for the President of India? Answer: 5 years. आप डेली क्विज प्रैक्टिस करिए ऑन स्टडी प्लेटफॉर्म, ठीक है, दैट इज जीके स्टडी प्लेटफॉर्म पे रोज एक क्विज आता है ठीक 6 बजे। आप इसको रोज प्रैक्टिस कीजिए जिससे आपको पता चल सके कि कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स की आपकी कैसी प्रिपरेशन चल रही है। कुछ टॉपिक्स हैं जो थोड़े टिपिकल हैं, उनको मैं आपको समझाऊंगी एंड देन उसके बाद मैं क्विज लेके आऊंगी, तो लेक्चर्स भी इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे डिलीवर होंगे। तो हमसे जुड़े रहिए आप। थैंक यू सो मच।